What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and I'm going to explain to you why the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 is the best compact device made in 2023. Let's go. Now, in the palm of my hands, guys, is a device with 3 cameras, 512 gigabytes of memory, Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, big cover display, very nice 120 Hz 1080 inner display, all in the palm of my hand. When it comes to being real about the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5, yes, there's a lot of knocks to this device, but one thing for sure and two things for certain, when it comes down to real physics, this device is super compact but really packs a punch and is very functional. In 2023, it's amazing that I can hold a device this small and at the same time I could shoot 4K 60 frames per second content video on this device, edit it on this device, and post it to YouTube on this device if I wanted to. And with this device having a powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, it wouldn't be too hard at all. I could do it. The only drawback would be I don't have a big screen like an iPad or a laptop monitor or whatever to edit on, but it's powerful enough to deal with that type of video and actually produce content that's desirable and that's good enough to watch. Now, with this device stock out the box, there are some widgets that you can use on the cover display, but download GoodLock from the Samsung store. You could put any app on this device on the cover screen and actually use it. Play any game, scroll any feed, and actually use the cover display as a compact, minimal phone itself. One thing I've always loved about foldables is this fingerprint scanner, guys. This power button fingerprint scanner is very flawless. I know a lot of devices have been coming out with under display fingerprint scanners, but that technology has not been as flawless as the true and tried power button fingerprint scanner. I've never had an issue. It's not even a thought. As soon as I want to get into my device, I'm right into my device with no problem. I can't even think of an issue that I've had with a power button fingerprint scanner. I know tech YouTubers normally don't mention this when it comes to ports and things of that nature on Android products because we've had it for so long, but Type-C, just like I could record a video, I could plug in the microphone via Type-C, do a voiceover. I could plug in a USB hub. I can plug in an Xbox controller. Type-C is very dope, and I want to give Samsung that recognition for having it on all their devices and all these Android devices that's had this good technology that make these devices adaptable to all kinds of equipment and peripherals. I love the physical SIM card. I love to be able to take whatever SIM card I want, whatever service out I want, and put another SIM card in there immediately. No eSIM foolery. That is a lot, guys. Sometimes that eSIM stuff is a headache. To just only have eSIM and you dealing with certain carriers and things of that nature, true headache. I'm a true fan of a physical SIM card. When it comes to the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5, I'm gonna be honest. I've made videos about different areas like the battery life or the camera sensors where I felt like it wasn't on point as far as a $1,000 phone when it comes to compared to slab of glass phones. But at the same time, everything on this phone is good enough to get it done. So you add that with the trick of folding in half and being one of the most compact phones on the market. In the time of big phones, this is the device that you could put in your pocket and almost forget it's there, and it's not gonna slide out because it's not super tall. It's basically deep in your pocket where you done forgot about it and you still got space for your wallet, and your inner display is not getting scratched on your keys because it's closed. There's a lot of folks that think foldable devices are some type of trickery or black magic when it comes to tech, but actually they're very useful and they come in handy. Whether you're going from a phone to a compact outer display or whether you're going from a phone to a tablet like the Z Fold 5, it's an audience for everybody. And this has to be the best compact device of 2023 because look how small it is. But this device definitely entails a lot and performs really well. It has a nice screen. And at the same time, you could take good video and good photos because a lot of cameras, some phones can take really good photos, but the video does not hold up at all. Me being honest about the caveats, but being realistic about the drawbacks, like camera sensors and things of that nature, and keeping this device compact and a bigger outside display, as far as engineering go, all of it can't fit. Sometimes manufacturers have to choose one over the other. But the Z Flip 5 is definitely a great mix of everything that I feel like Samsung could do with a flip, being a good phone and still having that trick of the outside display and being able to fold to have close to a super compact form factor. But these are just my thoughts. It's your man BG Tech Life. Thanks for watching. I'm out. Peace.